Assalamualaikum viewers, you are watching Center Engineering Services. I'm your host Qamar Iqbal. Friends, you see in our last videos, if you are follow from start to till now, you see we make a new project, then we discussing the instructions one by one, basic instruction regarding this Siemens TIA portal V13, and in last video we will discuss about the comparator functions of the TIA portal. So we will create a new project. You can put any name here in project name. You can put any name that you want regarding any, if you are doing anything in unit, like if you are working in plant, you see our plant is divided in units, so you can put one unit here, and then here you save in your location and author, you put your name. So same thing I'm using here. So we will go configure, add new device, Semitic 1500. We are using 1500 right now. That is the latest one CPU of the Siemens. Still now have S7 300, S7 400, then S7 1200 and S7 1500. So we are using this S7 1500, the latest one, for basic instructions, our simulations. In last video we see the simulator also for this S7 1500. Now friends, if you want online training regarding this Siemens PLC, HMI, SCADA through VNCC, and Allen Bradley PLC, Delta PLC, Fatick and Mitsubishi PLC, you can also visit our page, Facebook page, and you can contact me through my WhatsApp number that already given in description. You can check the description and you contact with me for the online training. We are given online training for all these courses regarding the automation. So we will add here card. So this is our hardware complete here. We will go, these are already these things you can see in my videos, last videos, that I already describe all these things. So that's why I'm not too much discussing about this. So today we will go in instruction and we will see the comparator in our last video. We'll go and use the calculate. Actually here they give the detail of all things. That is actually the main tab, same like a move. You can put anything, add, subtract, it will do. So we will do this one by one, then at end we will see this. First we will use add. Okay, we will put add enable 1 bit for M0.0 for enabling this add function. We'll put it auto, and here we will give MD2. okay, we will use here 2 bit. Actually this, that is a block used for adding, that enable use to enabling this whole block, okay, in 1 and in 2. This add function take in 1 plus in 2 and give you the this value to output MD6, MD10. You already know about this MD by using M0.0, then MD, MW. These already you know, I already discussed in our previous videos, so here I am not discussing in detail. So that is complete. If you are using this, you click here insert input, you can add more inputs here. So we are doing only 2. or same process for the 2 or more than 2. So we are compiling this and simulating. It will open the simulator and then we will do our required outputs. That is a simulator, PLC simulator for 1200 and 1500. Currently we are using 1500, so it will automatically add here our required CPU. If you do not do this directly PLC sim, you can open from directly from PLC sim software, and then you can only compile from here or download from here. It's the same thing, but I'm doing directly. It's just too much heavy software, that's why it will take time. Last video I also show this at only 2.5 GB this simulator. So if you install this and then run this, you know better how much this hang. Wait, otherwise need to open again. Yes, open. Otherwise mostly it's hang. We will select here simulator. Okay, that connected with our simulator. I will show this IP on simulator also. Load. Finish. Okay. We will on this monitoring. In monitoring, the good thing that you can see here also same thing you can see on there. So we will go there. Open our simulator and then sim table. You already know how I will opening this, and if you don't know you can see my last video. MD2, so MD1, MD3, MD4. From here, I will add here because when we are doing function, this maybe you can confuse. Okay, you see his, I will change his data type also. Siemens. Okay, now I will add MD2, add in MD6 and show in MD10. MD2, MD6. I will give here 20. First I will do 20. Here 20. But it's not on. Why? Because we are not enable our enable bit. Okay, why is showing this 52? Because it's showing in X. will change it into decimal here. Okay, this 20, I give 20. Now you check here also 40, and our output is showing 40. 20 plus 20 adding doing 40, right? That is a addition function here. So next we will see subtract. Same thing, we will check again. (20 minus 20 equal to 0). If I change here, this is like 30, it will give answer 30 minus 20, 10. You can change value also from here, modify friend. Here you can give 50. Okay, I give 80. Okay, no problem. Minus 20 equal to 60. Okay, that is a subtractor. Next one is a multiply. You go and say 10 multiplication. (20 multiplied by 80 equal to 16). If we change it into 50 to 20, how much? Okay, that is a multiplications. So next function we will see here, division. Divided. Multiplied by 20 is, if you see here floating point, then it will be show the exact one. Okay, if you give here floating, but here I don't know, they did not give. Yes, it's floating right now. Okay, but you cannot understand, I think so better we use this one. If you see here in detail our table, then you see 2.8, 50 divided by 20, 50 value 1 divided by value 2 equal to this 2.8 come. Multiply by division. These remaining these functions not too much using, but is if you are engineer, you are using for the engineering, then you know this mode function, create to completion, active, increment, decrement, absolute, get minimum, get maximum. The same function, same procedure. Second thing here, you need to check this when you are using this sine, cos, tan, these things, a cos, a tan, these things if you required to the angle on 30 degree, first you need to convert this degree to radian, and then you put this value, like I will show here 1. Okay, that is the real value. You put here 30, this 30, and the 14, this here and that is in radian. If you are using 30 degree, you want cos 30, so convert radian. Okay, you want 30, then you need to write there 0.5. if you write here 0.5, then you receive the values, actual value. Now is right value. If you want to see here, you can put here tag 5 before. That is right now. For cos 30, we are using cos or tan, sorry, tan 30 mean you need to put here 0.5. 0.5 mean 0.5 radian value here need to put. So same you can use these all functions. So these are the math functions that we have discussed today. So inshallah next we will see the move operation and conversion operation in our next videos. So please subscribe our channel if you not subscribe, and see our next coming videos regarding this Siemens TIA portal V13, and then we will discuss about the HMI, and then next step for the WinCC SCADA we will discuss in detail. Same like this, we are doing one by one all functions. So thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.